Gil here at Graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk with you about batteries again, like I did last week, but this is a little bit different. And no, I'm not going with D size now. I'm going with odd size batteries. I have a flashlight here. I got this when I was working for the Sheriff's Department many years ago. It is a nice bright light, but it doesn't take your normal battery. Open it up here for you and I'll show you what it takes. It takes two of these. These are called 1, 2, 3 battery. Okay, it's generally listed as a photography battery for high output. But yeah, this little flashlight uses those. And now, I don't use this that often, but I keep it handy next to my desk just in case, so I can, if the power goes off, I know right where to grab it, and then I can turn on, and I start getting the other flashlights and the lanterns turned on, and as soon as I get something going, I turn this off so I can save it, because these batteries are expensive. I did, however, find last week on Amazon some rechargeable lithium ones in the 1, 2, 3 size. And so that's on my wish list now to add to my preps so I can keep this flashlight going indefinitely. So, but there are other ones as well. My garage door opener takes a weird size disc battery. The remote control for the camera, when I use it, takes a disc size battery. The remote for my LED projector takes a disc one, but of a different size than the remote for this one. And the remote controls for the heat tape for the gutters take a different size battery. So take a file card or a notepad, go out all around your house, everywhere, check to find out, make a list of what odd size batteries you need and how often you need to replace them, kind of think about it and get, enough to, last, 2 or 3 changes so you're ready in case of an emergency. All right? Before I take off, I'm going to put a link to a video page you should be interested in. I'm going to put a playlist down here. I'll put another video over here, and I'll put a link to my gardening homesteading channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, right up here. Take care, and I'll see you around.